Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search for a text on a web page using Chrome app on computer. So the Chrome browser has a built-in find feature where it will help in searching for any text or phrase within the web content. Say suppose this is the page that I want to search for, and I'm looking for the keyword or the search term Safari browser or just look for Safari. So what I can do is I can select this options menu, and from here at the bottom you would be able to see this find and edit. I can just choose find option here, and then I can just paste or type in Safari here, which will automatically display the Safari and highlighting it in yellow and orange color. So I can use this navigation button here to switch to the next keyword, term or matching phrase, and use the same thing to navigate between the matching phrases. So in this way I can search for any term or text or even a lengthy content in here. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.